Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I have something from the Pobjoy Mint. This is the ship Moltke. That's Moltke. It's the 140th anniversary of this ship. It says as part of the year of the German International Polar Year Expedition led by Karl Schuder, Moltke was a Bismarck-class corvette which arrived in South Georgia in August 1882. While in South Georgia, the expedition was to carry out the International Polar Year's programme of observations and measurements. The expedition was also supplied with a special equipment to enable the crew to observe the transit of Venus, which occurred on the 6th of December 1882. This enabled the distance between the Earth and the Sun to be measured while Venus passed between them. 2022 marks the 140th anniversary of the arrival of the Moltke in South Georgia. So this coin is issued by South Georgia. It's a Cupro nickel diamond finish. It's 8 grams in weight. The diameter is 27.3 millimeters, and the issue limit for the coin in this carded format is 2,750. It is brought to us by the Pobjoy Mint, and there is the 2 signatures of the Pobjoy Mint and also the signature of the the Chief Executive Officer of South Georgia and Sandwich Islands. On here we have a portrait of Her Majesty the Queen, which I believe to be a JC portrait. It's let me just bring you in a little bit. There we go. We have the JC portrait of the Queen, South Georgia and the Sandwich Islands, and the date of 2022. On the reverse side, can I get any more in on the coin? There we go. Let me come back out a little bit. We have the 50 and the name Moltke there. We have Moltke as the name of the ship on the purple banner. Then on the blue banner underneath, in white writing, we have the 140th anniversary of the arrival in South Georgia. It's a 50p. It shows the Moltke in full sail with the name of the ship underneath. And we do have a becalmed sea. It is a sail vessel. I believe it also had some way of being able to have steam as well. Although don't quote me on that. I've read somewhere that it did have steam capability. Now whether that was later in its life or not, I don't know. But it looks there as if it's just a pure steam, a pure sail ship. I do like these coins that Pobjoy tend to be producing. I'm halfway through a series of 6 coins from the British Virgin Islands, showing ships that traded very often in that area or worked in that area, if they were Her Majesty's Royal Navy ships or the British Royal Navy. I'm not sure at the time that some of them were around that they were actually a queen. It might have been the Georges. So we do have another ship coin from Pobjoy, and they do tend to do the transport coins very well, in my opinion. It is frosted. The sails are frosted, and so is the sea against the pure silver background of the coin itself. Tell me, what do you think of this coin? Do you like it? Do you like the way that it's presented on these cards? Write down what you feel about them in the description below. Sorry, in the comments below. I'm happy to have it as part of my collection. It's another one of the Pobjoy Mint cards that I've collected, or that I've got. I will do a full Pobjoy collection review in a short while to show you the other cards I've got from Pobjoy in this particular format. If you have enjoyed this, I hope you'll give me the thumbs up, and also if you do think I deserve it, I would love you to subscribe to the channel and help me grow my channel this year, which is one of my aims for this year, is to grow my channel. And if you give me the thumbs up, which doesn't take you a second, if you've enjoyed this video, or you subscribe to the channel, both will help me with the algorithm that will allow my videos to be put in front of new people in the suggestion area. In the meantime, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, wherever you're getting them from, I hope you can get them for the price that you want to pay. And in the meantime, until we all meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, ta-da now, bye bye.